In the year 624 AD, in the vast and mysterious land of China, a woman named Wu Zetian was born. Born as Wu Concubine Consort, she would defy tradition and rise to become the only female emperor in Chinese history. Born in a time of political strife and internal conflict, Wu Zetian's intelligence and ambition were evident from a young age. As a concubine to Emperor Taizong, she quickly rose through the ranks, capturing the attention of the emperor with her cunning and wit. However, her life was not without adversity. Ruling emperors often saw her as a threat, and she endured many hardships and setbacks. Yet, her resilience and determination remained unwavering. In 655 AD, a coup d'état led by Emperor Gaozong's anti-feminist faction sought to remove Wu Zetian from power. Faced with the threat of death, she took matters into her own hands. She orchestrated a counter-coup, overthrowing Gaozong and claiming the throne for herself. In doing so, she became the only female emperor in Chinese history, ruling for nearly 3 decades. Her reign was marked by significant reforms, including the abolition of the powerful duke system, the establishment of the Taiping emperor title, and the creation of the civil service exam system. Yet, her rule was not without controversy. Her reign saw periods of economic growth and cultural advancement, but also political repression and widespread persecution. Her rule was marked by a strong focus on Confucianism, which led to the suppression of other philosophies. Despite the controversy, Wu Zetian's legacy remains a fascinating study in Chinese history. Her story serves as a reminder of the power of determination, resilience, and ambition. Her reign marked a turning point in Chinese history, setting the stage for the rise of the Tang dynasty and its subsequent Golden Age. Her life ended in 705 AD, with her death marking the end of an era. Her legacy continues to be debated by historians, but her reign and its impact on Chinese history are undeniable. Wu Zetian, the only female emperor in Chinese history, remains a symbol of strength and determination in the face of adversity.